Hello students, this is Nishi Mishra, your social studies teacher at Mount Lukra Z School, Jhansi. So children, yesterday we discussed about the Marathas' failure and decline along with the hierarchy of the Marathas dynasty. Today we are going to finish up with this chapter by discussing Anglo-Gurkha wars, annexation of Myanmar and the annexation of Punjab. So children, Gurkhas are the people who Gurkhas are the natives of Nepal. So when the Britishers won the territories east of Satluj, the Gurkhas began to come forward to the British territories in India. अब इसकी वजह से the Anglo-Gurkha war took place that started in 1814 and ended in 1816. In the war, the Gurkhas were defeated and they had to give, as the war compensation, they had to give the provinces of Garhwal and Kumaon region. कहाँ पर हैं वो अभी present scenario में अगर हम बात करें तो they are into Uttarakhand. They had to provide the provinces of Garhwal and Kumaon region, including Almora, Nainital, Mussoorie and Shimla to the Britishers. They also withdrew. They also take out their control from Sikkim, and the British resident was settled in the Kathmandu. Kathmandu is the capital of Nepal. Now, the annexation of Burma, Myanmar, since it is not a part of India, however, we are discussing it to know about the expansion of British Empire. सिर्फ इंडिया में ही नहीं, उन्होंने अपने ट्रेड को इंडिया से बाहर भी जो है एक्सपेंड किया. सिंस म्यांमार is our neighboring country, and जो waterway है to म्यांमार is Bay of Bengal which comes in India. तो क्या हुआ कि ब्रिटिशर्स ने जो है ईस्टर्न बॉर्डर्स पर भी अपने ट्रेड को एक्सपेंड किया एंड दे क्लैश्ड with our neighboring country Myanmar. And to get the control over the Assam and the Burmese coast, British fought the first Anglo-Burmese war that started in 1824 and ended in 1826. It gave the British the free trading rights to Burma. That means the Myanmar was defeated in the first Anglo-Burmese war. In the second Anglo-Burmese war, Governor General Lord Dalhousie had a control of the lower Burma, and the second Burmese war took place in 1852. In the third Burmese war that took place in between 1885 to 1886, the British removed all the influence of French and annexed the Upper Burma too. And the British established their complete control over the trade through Bay of Bengal. So this was all about the annexation of Burma and Anglo-Gurkha wars. Now annexation of Punjab. अब since Punjab is a state in India, और अभी तक हमने पढ़ा है that Britishers ने काफ़ी सारी Indian territories को ऑक्यूपाई कर लिया था, एनेक्स कर लिया था. However, जो पंजाब है वो that remained untouched. That is because of the able leadership of Maharaja Ranjit Singh. But after the death of Maharaja Ranjit Singh in 1839, there were two wars that were fought between the Sikh army and the Britishers. But lately, in 1849, the Britishers were able to annex Punjab. Maharaja Ranjit Singh signed a treaty with the Britishers, and that treaty is known as the Treaty of Amritsar, that kept the British and the Sikh confined to their respective sides of river Satluj. However, when the Britishers annexed Sindh, the Sikh army crossed the Satluj river and they attacked on the British army. This was the first Anglo-Sikh war that started in 1845 and ended in 1846. However, the Sikhs were defeated in this war and they had to give all the Punjab territories that were located south of the Satluj river to the Britishers, and they also had to give the region of the Jalandhar Daob. Daob is a land between two rivers. So Jalandhar Daob is a region that is between the Satluj and the Beas river. The Sikh also had to pay the huge war indemnity. Matlab war compensation was being provided by the Sikh army to the Britishers along with Kashmir, which later on was sold to Raja Gulab Singh of Jammu. That was sold by the Britishers to the Raja Gulab Singh of Jammu. The Britishers placed a Sikh ruler under the company's protection and posted a resident and a British force at Lahore. Lahore was a part of Punjab at that time. Now it is a part of Pakistan, लेकिन हम जिस era की बात कर रहे हैं उस time Lahore was a part of Punjab only. अब जब उन्होंने जो है अपना एक रेसिडेंट ब्रिटिश फोर्स के साथ में लाहौर में बिठा दिया, इसकी वजह से सेकेंड एंग्लो सिख वॉर हुआ दैट स्टार्टेड इन 1848 एंड 1849. अगेन द सिख वर डिफीटेड इन दिस वॉर एंड लॉर्ड डलहौजी एनेक्स्ड पंजाब इन 1849. So this was all about the chapter number 2, from trade to territory. We are finished with this chapter. Thank you so much, students.